welcome back. Sorry, I'm a little bit disheveled. I just got off work. And my Petit Vour box for this month is here. So we're going to unbox that today. I didn't get a lot of time with the products from last month because it came so late. But from what I did, so the mascara, first of all, it was good. It was very interesting how when I would take it off, it would just come off like in little sheaths. Very weird, but it did work well. It didn't really smudge. I have no complaints about it. Overall, I still didn't like it quite as much as the Talk Beauty one, but it was good. I've enjoyed using it, and I'm using it right now, so obviously it's good. The primer. So the primer actually made my skin break out, so I stopped using it after the first time. I don't know what it is about matte primers, but they do not work well with my skin. I don't know why, but it's a thing. The lip scrub was great. It worked really well for getting off my dry skin, off my lips. The first time I used it, there was a lot of dead skin, essentially. I followed up with it again the next day and got all of it, and it was great. So I have no complaints. And then the Blossom, it's like a oil serum situation. It was fine. I used it on my face. I used it on my body. I tried it in different applications. It's not as good as the argan oil one that I've tried recently. I don't know if it was in my Vegan Cuts or my Petit Vour box, but it was good. Overall, I probably wouldn't buy it again just because of the price point. It's so expensive, and I didn't notice anything crazy about it. That was it for last month's box. Overall, it wasn't bad. Like I said, the mascara and the lip scrub, good. I would probably, I don't know. I would probably buy the lip scrub again. The mascara I liked. Like I said, it wasn't my favorite, but I also rotate. So I did like it a lot. Not as much as the Talk. So I probably would buy it again just because I like to rotate my mascara. I don't like to use the same one all the time. But anyway, it's time to unbox our box. All right, happy mail day. And there is that, if you are interested. Let's check this out. Oh my gosh. We got more of the Belle Pierre HD Smoothing Primer. I'm actually kind of excited about that because I really liked it. It was really good. I love this. Oh my gosh. Hold on here. We got another one by that I Done, the one that I got the mascara from last month. I Done Lip Lusher, soft, nourishing, glossy. So it's a lip gloss. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm very excited. I love a good gloss. We got more of the 100% pure argan oil. I loved this one. They're really thinking about me in this box. I tell you what. Two of my favorite products in this box. And then this one I know I'm probably gonna like. But then we have Dr. Botanicals again. The Rescue Butter, Lemon Superfood, All-in-One Rescue Butter. What is this? It's a multi-use balm. Use as a moisturizer. Use small amounts of the balm between your fingers and apply to your face and massage until absorbed. Use as treatment. Apply to any dry or cracked areas as required, such as lips, elbows, and heels. Use as a cleanser. Massage a generous amount throughout your face and gently wipe away with a cotton pad or cloth. Rinse after. Interesting. I'm very curious to try this. Okay. Let's look at these other things. I got ahead of myself because I'm so excited. Okay. Simply Pure and Clean. Here is the ingredients in case you're curious. All right. Obviously the argan oil. I've used this. We've unboxed this on another box. I love it. It's great. We don't really need to look at that again, but also the Belle Pierre. I actually really liked this one. So I used it, and last time I was like, it works well, but I don't like the smell. as I continued to use it, because I have kept using it, as I've continued to use it, the smell doesn't really bother me anymore. So I actually really like this. I'm super excited to get this in my box. To show you guys the color of this gloss real quick. Very pretty. All right, let's talk pricing. So the oil was $34. That's our big ticket item here. The primer was $20. The lip gloss was also $20. And the Lemon Rescue Butter Balm was also $20. So that's a $94 value for this box. I am so pleased with these selections. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love all of it. But I know for sure I love the argan oil and the primer, so I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy these unboxing videos as much as I do. And I will see you next month with what I thought about this box. All right, bye!